Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. I'd like to step through Assignment 8, Checkpoint 2, validating your load instructions. You're going to be using the same test as you did in Checkpoint 1 to validate your load instructions, but to get to your load portion of this test, you will need to comment out line 70, which is the very first halt. Now, you need to go through the very first set of code, which is the store operations, because they're putting data into memory through the store operations that the loads will be bringing back into the register file to validate the different load operations. Now, if we take a look at this test, we can see at line 79, we're going to load a word. We're going to validate that a load word works. And that operation will complete on line 84. You can see that I'm checking X4 and X2. If these registers match, I loaded the word properly. The next set of tests is we're going to be loading 4 bytes. We're going to try to rebuild the word up with individual bytes. And on line 99, you can see that we're going to be testing whether register X5, X2 validates that all 4 load bytes came in correctly. So you can use this location to determine if all 4 bytes came into the right location into the register file. Now the next one is the load half word. Now we're just validating that the half words are moving into the register file correctly from the memory locations. And the next 2 are important because what we're trying to do is validate that we have a load byte signed extended. So when the byte comes in, we're sign extending it. We're trying to validate whether that works. And so we're checking that on register X7 that we've sign extended the byte of FF to be extended out to the word. We can see on X7 we are sign extending it. We go to the next line. We're validating that the load unsigned byte is not sign extending it by just having an FF loaded into register 8. We're going to do the same thing for half words. We're going to first validate the half word sign came in correctly on X9. You can see it's extended all the way out to all F's for the entire word. And if I do the next line, we're validating the unsigned in X10. The data came in, but we did not sign extend it. You can see that we just have the lower bits that are all set to 1. So this test will validate that each of the different type of load operations will work, byte, half word, and word, and whether the signed byte and the signed half words are being extended properly. So depending upon which part of the test, you can validate which instructions are working or which ones that aren't working. Hopefully this video helps, and if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel so that when additional videos are published, you will be notified. Good luck!